I got 2 boxes of mystery stones, the sharpening stones. They're all, hopefully they're natural, and well, I took a gamble at the auction, so we just tried to buy stones with a picture. It's a bit difficult, so I took a gamble on it, and let's see what I got. This one has a few hammers here. Actually, it was well packed. Thank you, Constantine, for packing this thing up. It's quite good. Actually, that's a good hammer. That's a panel bit hammer from Blue Point. Yellow Lake, that's a good one. Okay, there's one. Anything good in here? Oh, that's not good. Rubbish. It's man-made. Man-made. Little one. I think it's man-made. Stuck. Yeah, it is man-made. That one I don't know. I think it's man-made because of the shape. There's a slate, still has the label on it. I don't know actually what it says, but it's a slate. That's a natural one. I have no idea what it is for now. I think it's a lin with wall. There's a slate. It's a nice one. No idea. Charmley Forest, pretty sure, because of the red line. Is this natural? Yes, it's a natural one. Very dirty. Need to clean it. That's a good one. That's a Belgian one. Natural. It's stuck in a box. I don't want to break it. Yeah, natural combo. You see the edge there. Nice one. Nice one. There's another. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Not entirely sure if this is natural, but it looks natural because there's a line there. It's at the back as well, so it's natural. No idea. It's very green. Bluish green. I don't know about this one. But it looks man-made in a way. I have no idea. I put on a man-made for now. I think that's man-made. That's a slate, that's natural. That's a good one. Nice box, but it looks man-made. I'll have a look later, it's a bit dirty. That's a natural one. Don't know what it is. Dirty, but it's natural. Good one. It's man-made. For little stones. Oh, well, I don't know what is this. Just white. Maybe it's, no, it's not. I have no idea. Never saw nothing like that. And this one is, I think it's man-made. Very good. That's the first box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 good ones of this box. So that's very good. The gamble so far is paying off, and I still have another box to open. I just hope there's another 10 or 11 stones there, which they are natural. And man-made ones, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 man-made ones. Let's open the second box. Straight away, now the Belgian one, I believe will be natural. I mean a natural combo. I mean, we're stuck in a box where it came off very easily. That's, let me separate. One for there. Oh. That's a Transarc. It's a very good one, good size. So far, so good. No. Well, I talked too soon. Because I think it's a man-made one anyway. That's another man-made one. They're very dirty. They're a man-made one. Well, what's this? That's natural, I think. No, maybe not. Because he has two sides. Not sure about this one. It's quite dirty, so I'll clean this one. Man-made one. Not sure about this one. Kind of looks natural. I put it on natural one. There's the one here. It's well packed. Oh, here's a piece of slate. Good, natural one. That's not sure about this one, because sometimes some of these dark brown ones, it turn out to be quite natural slates, natural stone, sorry. I need to clean this one as well. Not sure about this one. Broken there. Not sure, it needs to be cleaned as well. Quite a few here need to be cleaned. Not sure if they are natural or not. I think that's man-made. But it needs to be cleaned as well. Oh, it's quite a few of them. I'm not sure actually if they are natural or not. Oh, come on. This is proper stuck. I was expecting this is going to be a natural one, but no. Just a dirty box. Very dirty. It was on 1 inch. And it looks man-made. I need a hammer. Now it's stuck. Proper stuck. I'll open that in a moment. That's man-made. Oh no. One with the tape. That's natural. Good. That's definitely concrete block. There's another piece of slate. Good. This one says razor hone, ultra fine, whatever. Cannot read the rest. Not sure if it's not. It seems like it's a slate. That's not definitely man-made. I think this is Wushita. And that one, no idea. Very dirty, this one. It's kind of green, but it's just oil. Not sure if it's natural or man-made. I put it on the ones that need to be cleaned. There's another one. Oh no, this is man-made. The last one, it doesn't open. Really open. I have nothing here to. It's coming. So much work, and it's a man-made one. So from the ones I wasn't too sure about, this is man-made. This one actually, I'm intrigued with this stone because I have no idea what it is. I never saw one like this. Not sure. It kind of looks natural, kind of looks man-made. I have no idea. This one, it looks natural, definitely looks natural. There is not much grain showing. Probably is another lin. Right, this one here I have no idea, but I think this is natural. It looks natural in one side. It looks man-made on the other. No, I'm not sure. Don't know where it is. And this one here, it's man-made. Thought it was natural, but it's man-made. It was very green, but it's man-made. Oh well. Anyway, not about it all at all. I think I have about 20 natural ones. So I had 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 20 stones in total. So it's not that bad. So from the 20 stones I have, which are for the natural, probably they're not natural, is a few of them which they're not natural. So what did I got? I got the Transarc. I recognize this one anyway. The Charlie Forest, I recognize them as well. I know they look like a bit, this one looks a different color from that one and that one, but I think they're all the same. I'm pretty sure this one's all the same. They have the red bits, like this, same as red. Just the base color is a bit different. So slate wise, the yellow lake, which come with the box, I done the vinegar test. I don't think it's a yellow lake at all. This one I'm pretty sure is a silkstone, same as this one. The fourth of the slates, I don't know actually what type of slate is this one. It's a much harder slate, and there's no grain at all on it. This one, just on the edge, was quite bad, quite in a bad state. So I'm not going to flat this one. They have a Washita, and this is, it looks like a Washita, and the light travels just on the edge. It doesn't travel much as this one here, but it is a type of Washita, I believe. That's a Tamoshanta. Actually, there was some label remaining there. That's a Tamoshanta. That spotty one, I have no idea what it is. It's quite colorful under the magnifying glass. That's a Glanfon. Quite nice stone. That's the Belgian ones. The natural Congo ones, which they're always lovely to have. This one here, I believe this is actually a natural stone, but it's so dark and there's nothing to show about it. Just a few inclusions on it, nothing much. That, I'm not sure as well. It looks like natural. I never see nothing like it. I don't know. This one here probably is man-made. I have no idea, but yeah, when you look under the magnifying glass, actually the particles, they look actually natural. So I'm not sure about that one. And this one is a definitely natural one. I haven't flat anything, but I broke it. Tried to remove it out the box. It was glued on, and there's some lines there. And I'm pretty sure this is a natural stone. And that's it. 20 stones from a mystery box.